Garmin Coach helps you reach your running goals with effective training plans designed for all experience levels. Let's get set up in the Garmin Connect app on your compatible smartphone. To begin, open the Garmin Connect app. Tap More from the home screen. Select Training and Planning. Here, select Garmin Coach Plans. Next, you can choose to train for an event, achieve a milestone, or improve your fitness. Let's run through each option. First, select Train for an event, then agree to the terms and conditions. You will see two options. For runners, tap Running. Now it's time to set your goals. Set your weekly average distance and average pace, then select Next. Now choose which distance you're training for. This includes a 5K, 10K, half marathon, marathon, or other distances. Select the distance of your choice, then tap Next. After you've chosen your distance, you can select your goal for that distance. For a 5K, you can either train for a mix of running and walking, running only, or running with a time goal. For other distances, you can either select Finish or Finish with a time goal, then tap Next. Depending on the chosen goal, you may be taken directly to your list of training plans. If you choose an option with a time goal, you would then enter your goal pace and time. Now select a Garmin Coach plan that best fits your needs, then select Setup Plan. After selecting your Garmin Coach plan, you will create a schedule that works best for you. This includes how many days a week you can train and which days you'd prefer for long runs. When you're done, tap Next. Now select Find a Race. Then select an event you'd like to train for. Next, select Add to Plan. Select Set as Primary if you'd like to make this your primary training event. Once your schedule is set and your event is added, you can review your plan and edit details if necessary. When finished, tap Create Plan. You'll be able to see your plan overview, workout schedule, training metrics, and more. Let's go back to those goals on the Garmin Coach Plans page. Say you have a personal milestone in mind. Select the Achieve a Milestone option. Next, set your goals by selecting a sport and following the same steps as before. If you don't have a specific event or milestone in mind, Garmin Coach can still help you improve your overall fitness. In this case, select Improve Fitness from the Garmin Coach Plans page. For runners, this will allow you to choose Garmin Run Coach as your Garmin Coach training plan. You can also see your upcoming workouts in your morning report or under the Garmin Coach glance on your smartwatch. And that's everything you need to know about setting up your Garmin Coach plan. All that's left is to start training and hitting those goals. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.